In this video, we're going to explore literal characters in regular expressions. We will learn how to match exact characters and understand the importance of case sensitivity in pattern matching. Literal characters are characters in a regular expression that match exactly themselves in the target text. This means if you want to find the letter A, the literal character A will search for it. Simple, right? Consider a basic example. The regular expression pattern cat will match the exact sequence C and D in any text where they appear together, in that specific order. Here are a few examples of how the pattern cat works. The expression matches strings like, I have a cat, the caterpillar, and education is key. However, it will not match I have a cat, my dog is cute, or the car is red, because the case and sequence of characters must be exact. Here is a key point to remember. Regular expressions are case-sensitive by default. This means that the pattern will differentiate between uppercase and lowercase letters. Let us observe case sensitivity in action with an example. If the pattern is hello, it will match the text, hello world. However, it will not match the text hello world, because the cases are different. Here is a sample Python code that uses the re module to search for a pattern in a text. First, we import the re module. Then we define the text as the cat sat on the mat, and set the pattern to cat. Next, we use re.search to check if the pattern exists in the text. Finally, the script prints found a match if the pattern is found, or no match found if the pattern is not found. Let us summarize the key takeaways from this lesson. First, literal characters match exactly themselves, meaning the pattern must be an identical sequence of characters in the target text. Second, regular expressions are case-sensitive by default, so A and A are treated as different characters. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.